screen, and I will show you the top 5 best screen recorders for your Windows PC. So let's get started. So coming at number 5, we have HyperCam screen recorder version 3. So here is the cam, and here is the website from where you can download HyperCam. Now this is a Softonic website, and you can be sure that there is no virus or malware linked to it. So you can simply download it from this website by clicking on the download button, and then yes, it's very easy to install it. So let me show you a sample of this thing. So it goes like this. Click on the later button here. Since this is a trial version and you need to pay to register to it. Now here you got 3 options at the top of the tool here, to record region, or to record full screen, or to record a particular window. Now let me show you a sample by recording the full screen of my desktop. And one thing is, you have another tab which says options like this here, and if you go there you can find the interface. You can go to the interface tab there, and you can see all the hotkeys which are defaultly given by this. However, you can change these hotkeys too. So here it says stop recording F3, start recording, or pause F2. Anyway, you can also go to the audio tab here, and you can set whether to record your speaker or your microphone. Anyway, let me show you a sample of this. So click on this red button over here, the record button. Just record it, and you can see as soon as you click on that record button, you see that it gets minimized to the taskbar, or let's say the system tray. And if you want to stop recording, you can press the F2 key, the hotkey, or else you can even just click on this square symbol with the round edges, and once you click on that, the recording will get stopped. So if you want to see the recorded video, then you can just go to the recent, just extend this recent records tab, and then you will see all the recent records. So you can double click on it to open this. So this is how it works. At number 4, we have Microsoft Expression Encoder. This is the software. Now you can download it from the Microsoft's official website, because this software itself is from Microsoft Windows, and here is the official website to download Microsoft Expression Encoder. You can see all the system requirements which you need to be able to install this and run this software. And finally, click on the download button over here, and don't forget to select your language, and then click on the red download button. Once you download it, just install it. You can follow the on-screen instructions to install this screen recorder. Anyway, let me show you a sample recording of this software. So here is it, how it looks like. Nice piece of software. Now you can go to this edit options over here, and then you can set up your frame rate, bit rate, and you can choose whether you want to record your mouse cursor or not. And you can also have this option to follow your mouse cursor while recording the screen. And if you go to, you can also record your webcam. The most important, the most awesome thing in this is that you can record your webcam at the time of recording your screen. That's a bit awesome. If you go to the audio tab, you can select whether to record the speakers or your microphone. So select whatever you want, and then if you go to the hotkeys, you will see the hotkeys. However, you can also change these hotkeys. So it says Control Shift F11 to start or pause recording, and all the other things. Now you can also zoom. It says if you press Control Shift F8, you will be able to zoom while recording the screen. Okay, So let me record this and show you how it looks like. So to start recording with this, you just click on the red symbol over here which says record, and it starts recording. Now as soon as you click on that record symbol, you will see a window near your taskbar like this. Now you select all the options what you want here, and then click on this red symbol. Now here we go. It once again shows you the hotkeys to stop and start recording. Now finally click on OK, and then it starts a beautiful timer like this. 3, 2, 1, go. Now it started recording my desktop screen. Let me try to zoom here. It says Control Shift F8. Well, wow, that's good. Okay, so Control Shift F12 to stop recording. Yes, here we go. This is the thing. Now if you want to view the recorded video, then you got to send that to the encoder. You will find the option which says send to encoder. So once you send it to encoder, from there you should be able to encode your video, and then you will be able to watch the recorded video. At number 3, we have Blueberry Fast Flashback Recorder. Now this is a very great piece of software. Now if you can download it from the official site, from the flashbackrecorder.com. Here we go. So to download it, you need to fill these fields here. You need to select how you want to use this recorder, and you need to select your language, and you need to you need to type your email address in this text field over here, because once you download this file, it'll ask you for a license key, and what they do is they email the license key to your email address which you have specified there. Now please note that this is a free tool. Of course they give you the license key for free. So once you fill out all these text fields over here, just scroll down and select download this, and then you will be able to download, and after some 5 minutes or so you will receive an email which has the license key for this software. So just enter the license key and continue the installation process. Now let me show you how to use this software. So here is the nice piece of software. So here we go. Just click on the continue button over here, and it says it is licensed to this email address. Okay, anyway, this is the starting form of this this tool. So just click on the record your screen here, and then you will get this window like this. Now one great thing is that it has the option to record your webcam while the time of recording your screen. So that's a very good option, and if you can also select whether to which region you want to record. For example, let me select full screen over here, and you can select whether you want to record this sound or not. So if you want to record sound, you can select whether to record your PC speakers or your microphone. So anyway, I don't want to record the sound anyway, so here we go. Finally click on this red button, red circle over here, and here we go. It starts the countdown here. 3, 2, 1, go. So this is the sample video of sample recording with this screen recorder. Now if you want to stop recording here, you click on this red square button over here, and then it stops. It says, do you want to save it or discard? Just click on save, and then it asks you where you want to save that recorder. So let me save it here, test 1, and here we go. The recording is complete. At number 2, we have S-Bit screen recorder. This is the screen recorder. Now this is the most powerful screen recorder, so that is the reason why I placed it in the second position. You can download it from the official website over here, sbit.com/download. So it is it's free to use, and yeah, it's worthy of the best, I mean one of the best screen recorder. Now anyway, let me show you a tutorial on this. Now it has an inbuilt video editor where you can you can cut your clips, add text in between, or add music to your clips. So it has a very good inbuilt video editor. Now if you want to record your screen, you can find the monitor symbol at the right side of the screen, so which says capture screen. So just click on that capture screen button, and then it asks you like this, click start capture now to start recording. So just click start capture now, and it starts a countdown. 3 2 1 go. So here we go. And once you can notice that once you record it, once you start recording, you will see this one like this here. Now it has a brilliant option to draw while recording your screen. So if you click on this draw symbol over here, you get all the symbols. Like, let me select this and let me do. So I can draw anywhere like this. Not only this, many symbols I have. This, like, it's pretty much awesome, right? Many symbols. So if you want to stop recording this, you can just click on the stop button over here, and then it stops recording this. And it says after you have stopped recording, it says SVID is working, and it takes about 2 minutes, not 2 minutes, it depends upon your video length actually. So just be patient. So once SVID finishes doing its work, you will see like this. I mean, you will see your video clip in the video editor like this. Now you also have an option to upload your video directly to YouTube. You will find it at the bottom right corner of this tool. So anyway, now be aware that it defaultly puts its intro before your video like this. Now this is the intro of SVID. So it defaultly keeps this intro before every video of yours. So if you can delete it, of course, by right clicking on selecting delete. Now it also has an option to record your voiceover. So this is the option. So you can actually record your voiceover. You can add a voiceover to your video clip like this. So, and also you have an option called synthesize speech, and as I told you before, you can add text in between your video, and you can also add another video or picture to your video clip, and many. And today at number 1 we have fast down screen capture. This is the best screen recorder I have ever seen. Literally the greatest screen recorder. Now you can download it from its official site. Now this is the official site. Now please note that I will put all the download links in the description below, so go check the description. So just download the exe file from the official site by clicking on this download button, and then install the software. Now here is the piece of software. It is very simple. Now this is the software. Yes, this tiny rectangle piece of software is the best screen recorder as per me. It has a inbuilt video editor which is very user friendly and simple and powerful too, and you can zoom in and or out while recording your video and whatnot. It's a very user friendly and simple screen recorder to record your screen. You can also take this screenshot of your desktop. It has that option too, and yes, it's really cool. So you can record your screen by clicking on this movie symbol over here, like movie icon, just click on that and you will see this window appear like this. Now here you can select the whether to record a window or object or rectangular region or all the other options you can check out. So I want to record the full screen here, and then you can choose whether to record your audio or not. So choose whether to record your audio or not, and if you click on this option symbol and then go to the hotkeys tab, you will see the hotkeys. Now one most interesting aspect in this screen recorder is that you can zoom in and out while the time of recording your screen by clicking this F5 key over here. Now go to the video tab and then you can select the quality of the video to best, and then you can set the zoom rate. 200% is good, and then you can you also have the options whether to capture mouse pointer and whether to highlight your mouse pointer and all. And if you go to audio, and you can select whether to record your audio or not, and if you want to record your audio, you can select whether to record your microphone or speakers, or even microphone as well as speakers. Okay, I don't want to record my audio anyway. So after you have explored all its settings, just click on this record button over here, and then another window pops up like this. This is the final window you're going to see before you record your screen. So just click on the start button over here and the recording has started. Now you can zoom in or out by hitting on the F5 key. So if you hit on the F5 key, it will zoom in, and if you click on the F5 key once again, it zooms out. Now this is very much awesome software, and if you want to stop recording, you can select Control F10, and then you can click on the save button over here and then save it to desktop. I want to let's say test. So once you have done that, you will see an option which says edit. So if you click on that edit symbol, you can select the video clip which you want to edit, and then this is the Fastone video editor. This is a very good and simple and user-friendly video recorder. You can draw on your screen, you can zoom in, and you can cut your video clips, and you can also convert it into GIF form. And that's pretty cool, right? So this is the end of the video, I suppose. If you have any doubts regarding this video tutorial, or you want to suggest me anything, you can feel free to comment below so that I can read your comments, and I will make sure I will try my best to reply to you as